Watch this, guys.
And the fourth 16 hours, he begged to go home and get some rest. And he was denied. Yet my son dropped down at work and no one called me to say that my son fell down. It was my son who had regained consciousness just for a little while to say to me, Mommy, I had dropped down at work. Just that I want to tell you, and that I beg for little strength to tell you. I am saying, Commissioner, if my son had come home to get little rest, if my son was not denied of rest after a 26-year-old person worked 316 hours and the 40 was begged to go home. But yet still, as he said in the phone, he said, Mommy, I begged that and now they're sending it to river in the sun. Just that I want to tell you, Commissioner. Just that. Thank you.